friends. Today we are going to visit the beautiful Kripapureeswarar Temple in Thiruvennainallur, which is situated in the Villupuram district in the southern state of Tamil Nadu in southern India. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and it's situated at a distance of 20 km from Villupuram bus stand. And nearby there are other pilgrimage centers like Vriddhachalam, which is also dedicated to Lord Shiva, and also you find Thirukoilur at a close distance, and it's dedicated to Lord Vishnu, locally known as Ulaganathar Swami Temple. And you could also visit Sri Mushnu, which is dedicated to Lord Varaha Swami, which is an avatar of Lord Vishnu. And also you could visit Parikal, which is also nearby, which is dedicated to Narasimha avatar of Lord Vishnu. So here we have come to Thiruvennainallur temple, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I wish everyone gets the blessing of Lord Shiva.
அது அம்மன் கோயில் அங்கே இங்கே தான் பார்த்து அது ஓகே அவங்க ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕರಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ